Greetings, Ascended. So I'm coming to you with another world message. This is for France, okay? Remember to take what resonates, what does not resonate, leave it right here. Also, everything in this video is alleged, all right? If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. I greatly and I truly appreciate it. So let's go ahead and get into this reading. We have Interstate 95, all right? So something could just simply be significant about the number 14, okay? It does not necessarily mean that Interstate 95 goes through France or there is an Interstate 95, all right? The number 14 or the 14th of any month could be significant. September 5th could be significant, or May 9th could be significant, okay? Also, 1995, 1959, age 9, age 5, age 14 could be significant, okay? So, to further clarify this, we have danger, lurch, treacherous paths, ominous shadows, all right? The perilous realm is significant, okay? This gives me kind of like hell to a certain extent, okay? So something could be significant here about or lost soul energy, okay? So lost soul energy could definitely be significant. I'll say that instead, okay? So yeah, something could definitely be significant about lost souls, okay? Energies roaming, okay? Open portals I'm picking up as well, okay? So we have Aquarius energy, the Six of Swords, okay? So something could be significant about something that you moved away from, transition from, or someone could have actually transitioned, okay, and maybe they're in this perilous realm, okay? That goes back to that lost soul energy I'm picking up here, okay? The sixth house could be significant. Something could be significant about someone maybe transitioning from some sort of health, okay, situation. Something with the health could be significant. Something could also be significant here about health care, okay? So health care environments like hospitals, nursing homes, things of that nature, places where lost souls can roam is significant. I'm picking that up also, okay? And that 5 on that 95 is giving me, okay, thank you, Spirit. So 9D energy, y'all know 9D energy talks about spirit for me, okay? 5 can talk about Hierophant energy, which can describe a hospital, okay? 14 talks about angels, okay? It could talk about an angel. It could also talk about Sagittarius energy, okay? So yeah, a loved one could be significant too with this 6 here that's coming through also. So yeah, something about a loved one. Maybe someone needs help with getting through. I just heard needs help with getting through, okay? So that could definitely be significant. We then have parking lot, all right? Someone could have like passed some sort of untimely death, could be significant, all right? And this is why this energy is coming out like this. Something about an untimely death. Something could also be significant about someone who passed away, like a surgery, okay? So someone could have went in for some sort of surgery, and maybe they, you know, it was unexpected, okay, for them to transition, okay? But we got parking lot, so parking spot, park, go, parking garage. I'm also getting the energy of someone making sure that someone didn't heal from something. Okay, someone wanted to make sure that somebody didn't heal from something. I heard that it also. Okay, we then have this 8 of Pentacles in reverse. Okay, so yeah, someone did something for money. Something could be significant about some sort of meeting. Okay, I'm seeing a vanilla envelope. Okay, so something could be significant here about like some sort of passing of documents, passing of money. Something about a vanilla envelope could definitely be significant. Something about documents within an envelope could be significant, okay? We then have a legal testing by scientists. Okay, so something is significant here too about corrupt scientists being involved when it pertains to this energy. I'm picking up something being like on a mass scale. I'm picking up mass scale energy. This is not an isolated situation when it pertains to the energy of France, okay? Following that, we got official person. So something is significant here about official person being involved or collective. You could be someone who is of high honor, okay? We got place of reminiscence, nostalgia, memory, sentimental childhood reflection. This is clarifying this official person energy. Now, I would try to put the last world message reading that I did, because France did come out in a recent world message reading, okay? And the energy that was coming out in that reading had something to do with stolen children, okay? So something significant about a place that is nostalgic, memories that are nostalgic, okay? Something that you could possibly remember could be significant here, okay? We then have, or something could be like, I don't know. For some of you, it could be like that warp energy I was picking up in another reading that I did for the States. Okay, something about mind warping. Okay, something about trying to brainwash MK Ultra, clean out the mind, clear out the mind. Okay, wipe away certain memories. Okay, we have the Empress. So something is significant here about a mother figure. Okay, someone here, like I said, you could be an official person, or something is significant about your birth mother. Okay, earth energy, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy could definitely be significant. Okay, and I'm also picking up that warden of the state energy again. Okay, so something could be significant about that. The third house could be significant. Maybe there is some sort of communication. Okay, also something could be significant here about the mind. Okay, the way you think, the way your mother could have thought. Okay, that could be significant. Maybe some sort of memories that goes back to, like I said, with that warping energy, that trying to clear out the mind. Mandela effect is significant. Following that, we got sun. So yeah, something is significant here for some. If you have a deceased mother, or if you didn't know your birth mother, she's watching over you. That is coming through. Okay, but something significant here about sun. Okay, with this sun energy, identity. Thank you, Spirit. So something is significant here about identity. Okay, life. Okay, your life, your identity is definitely significant here. Okay, so something could be coming to the light when it pertains to your true identity. Okay, I also was picking up something being public. Okay, world, something about the world. Okay, is significant. Following that, and 3 is Gaia energy. We then have 9 of Pentacles. So something about you being extremely fruitful. Okay, you could have been fruitful all of your life. You were supposed to be this, and you know what I'm saying? Like, y'all know how this go. Okay, so yeah, something is significant about you. You were never supposed to lack. Okay, with this 9 of Pentacles energy here, it's like I said, something about your birth, okay, is significant with this official person energy. We then have ex-military. So something is significant here about ex-military. Someone here could have been ex-military. Okay, I'm also getting the energy of an ex-militant could have been involved in some way, shape, or form. Okay, a father figure could be significant as well. We then have police brutality. Someone here could have transitioned from some sort of police brutality. Okay, this person could have been an ex-militant of some sort. Okay, something about that is significant. Okay, following that, we got flood. So something is significant here about some sort of actual flood. The water, the element of water could be significant. Okay, I'm picking up Cancer energy, so a Cancer could be significant as well. Okay, also we got airport. So something could be significant here. Y'all know, like, sometimes people use the term like it's flooded. Okay, when it's overpacked, when something is overpacked. So something could be significant about an airplane being overpacked, an airport being overpacked. Okay, a bag, luggage being overpacked could definitely be significant. Travel hub, departure and arrival, airport, lounge could be significant here. Okay, following that, we got the Queen of Pentacles, Capricorn energy could be significant. So something could be significant about someone trying to leave. Okay, I was picking that up here. This could be past, present, or future energy, but also something could be significant about someone who actually transitioned, maybe in an air plane. Okay, because then we got the Death card. Okay, so something is significant here about wow, that's crazy, because I don't know why I'm picking up on Aaliyah's energy now. Wow. Okay, so something is significant here about a passing, okay? Whether this is past or present or future energy, that's what I'm picking up, and I just got to touch on my leg. So yeah, something could definitely be significant about Aaliyah. Okay, so we then have the 2 of Swords. Whatever this is, someone didn't see something coming. Okay, someone didn't see whatever this 2 of Swords energy, whether someone didn't see something coming or someone doesn't see something coming is significant. Okay, Libra energy could definitely be significant. 7th house energy. Okay, something could be significant here about someone that a person that someone is married to, because Queen of Pentacles is a wife. Okay, so a person that someone is married to could definitely be significant, or a wife. Okay, also I'm picking up something could be significant about business partners and or contracts, some sort of contractual agreement when it pertains to this Queen of Pentacles, this death and this airport energy. Okay, something being packed with that flood. Aaliyah energy is coming through strong right here. Okay, so then we have forest. So something is significant about a woodsy area. Okay, or this could be an airport near a forest. Okay, or something happening in a forest. Okay, we then have wrong place, wrong time. So whatever this is, whether past or present or future energy, someone was at the wrong place at the wrong time. Okay, someone could have also witnessed something. Okay, I'm hearing that as well. Following that, we got 1980 to 2000. So this time frame could be significant. This could be the year someone was born, or this could talk about something happening between these years. We got park. Okay, so something could have taken place within a park between these years. When it pertains to this energy right here, I was picking up child theft. Okay, like I said, I picked up before in a friend's reading. Okay, nature's haven, recreational space, picnic, retreat is significant. We then have the Queen of Swords. Okay, there is some sort of mental clarity. Okay, possibly when it pertains to this energy, something about mental clarity. And then that goes back to what I was saying previously about the whole mental fog, wanting you in a mental fog. If you are a child of kid swapping or fake adoptions, or, you know, being transported from one place to another, okay, that mental fog is significant. Not wanting you to remember things is significant. Okay, wanting you blocked off. Not wanting you in this Queen of Swords energy. You could be a masculine in this energy as well. Not wanting you to remember certain things. Okay, we then have school. Okay, so something is significant here about a school. Okay, I was picking up an energy of child theft surrounding a park and or a school. Okay, it's heavily significant. All right, also I'm getting the energy, spirit is sending out a warning, okay, to have your boundaries up. Okay, parents, have your boundaries up. Okay, so we then have the Seven of Cups. Yeah, because there are a lot of illusions. Okay, a lot of illusions to make you put your defenses down. Okay, whether this is people, places, there are a lot of illusions. Scorpio energy is significant, okay? The Seven of Cups also talks about searching for. The searching for is sticking out to me, okay? So searching for something. We see missing kids all the time, all right? Following that, we got backdoor of home, and then we have grounds of a home, which is insane, okay? So some sort of theft from a home, okay? Also, I'm picking up when people frequent parks or when people frequent these schools, okay, whether it's school staff, whether it's park staff, whether it's someone visiting a park, have your boundaries up. Because guess what? Not all people are bad, no, but some of those people, they're scoping, okay? And we got something significant here about a home. You know what I'm saying? We see it happen all the time. We hear about it 24/7. So we then have pedestrian crossing. Okay, so more of that energy. This card came out for another state. I can't remember who. Okay, but something significant here. And I was getting children being transported off of the card. Okay, but something significant here about pedestrian crossing, okay? School crossing could even be significant, okay? But bustling hub, so basically a busy area, okay? Somewhere there that is busy, somewhere that maybe 2 minutes you take your eye off your offspring, and that's it. You understand? So that's the message that spirit is coming through when it pertains to this energy, okay? Following that, we got the Five of Wands. So yeah, there could be like some sort of conflict, because I feel like something is coming to light when it pertains to this messiness, okay? There is some sort of conflict, because I feel like there are like things being figured out. We saw the Sun card. Okay, things are being brought to the light. Light is being shed in dark places. We then have the Seven of Pentacles. These long-term investments to steal women and children. Okay, these long-term, that's why I said keep your eyes, keep your guards up, because they're scoping. Okay, this is what they do. Okay, so something is significant about these long-term investments. The reality of what these investments are, that these people are now in the Five of Wands over. Okay, because they spend time, they put a lot of blood, sweat, and tears and sacrifices into this. Okay, we then have a sewage cover. Okay, so this is crazy because I picked this energy up in another reading a long time ago. Confirmation with these actually being doorways to these tunnels. Okay, doorways to these tunnels is significant. Street work could definitely be significant. Okay, we then have sacrifice. So yeah, I just now said that. Following that, we got first degree murder. We then have do not accept anyone from your past. They all work together. Okay, and like I said in another reading, these people, I don't care where it doesn't matter where they live. Okay, it doesn't matter where they're placed at across the world. They worship the same thing practically. Okay, they are intertwined somewhere. Okay, they meet somewhere. Okay, so we then have strange sounds. So something is significant here. They could be experiencing some sort of strange sounds when it pertains to France. Okay, something could be significant here, just like y'all. I don't know if y'all can hear like the ramming of the engine behind me, but I'm used to it. So something is significant about sky trumpets could be significant as well. Okay, distractions could be significant. Okay, but no, something could definitely be significant about some sort of judgment being passed down. Okay, yeah, all right. This could also have something to do with the recent air activity as well. Okay, we then have forest, so there could be some sort of activity around a forest area. Okay, then we have the Six of Wands. Okay, so something could be significant here about some sort of victory. Okay, this is definitely giving me that sun energy. Okay, following that, we have the Ten of Pentacles. Something could be significant here about a family or family dynamics. Okay, that's what I'm picking up here. Okay, some sort of reunion energy could be significant. Okay, I am getting that too. So something could be significant about some sort of reunion, or something is significant of maybe about a family. I'm also getting the energy of a family that shows up in this Six of Wands energy. Okay, because I'm getting like pedestal energy off of this Six of Wands, and spirit taking me down, giving me a whole totally different download. So yeah, something significant about pedestal energy. Okay, a family being viewed in this Six of Wands energy is significant. We then have sex trafficking. So yeah, like I said, something significant about a family that could have thought something was going to be successful, or someone who has been making a living off of this. Could be a whole damn family. We then have a feminine hierophant energy. So this could be a leader of some sort of occult practices. Okay, something could also be significant about an energy or energies or entities that try to sacrifice or sex traffic a feminine hierophant energy. We then have conflict spells. We then have court case spells. We then have organ harvesting. We then have plays both sides. Okay, we then have a hate crime. Next, we have 1960 to 1980. So that time frame is heavily significant. It could be the date of birth, the date of the year of birth for someone, or 1980 is definitely significant because we had 1980 to 2000 to come out. So there was some sort of, we got kid swap, switcheroo, 555 or 555 is significant. I just mentioned this. Okay, this same energy came out before when it pertains to the country of France. We then have hallway closet. We have dry drowning. We have 14 again. Okay, so something is significant about 14. Okay, we then have intruder. The month of February could be significant with that 14. Okay. And then we have 80 plus years of age. Okay. And with that 80 plus years of age, this could definitely talk about someone who has since transitioned. Okay. Because I am picking up on a certain energy. Okay. That's linked to supposedly, allegedly, child sacrifices. Okay. So something could definitely be significant about that. I'm also getting elder energies who pop up missing as well. Okay. Forest, environments could be significant. Okay, so that's everything I have for you, collective, when it pertains to the energy of France. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll talk to you in the next one.